All right, we're here for another WA Wednesday. I'm David Zaccaro and just wanted to introduce to you our HVAC system here on the Switchroom that we're building. So as part of our scope of work is to actually fully FAT test the room before we send it up to site. So we build the HVAC in situ, we put everything together, all the ductwork, pressurization units, turn it all on, and then we balance the air inside. So that means that the room is evenly cooled or evenly heated, depending on the season. And there's a fair bit of work involved, and it's easy to get it done in the workshop rather than fix something on site. So in terms of WA content, all of this ductwork and support structure has been fabricated locally in WA. Ductwork's been done in Malaga, and then behind me you see here is a pressurization unit. So these pressurization units are also made in Western Australia. Another win for us, that's a Burke Air unit. And then these are the condenser units. Now these have been made in New Zealand. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to call them honorary Australians. That's what they like to be sometimes. So yeah, basically everything you see here is Australian content. So we've got to be proud of that. The benefit to our client for this is during this COVID-19 season, it's really hard to get people from interstate into WA. As you know, we've got no cases here in WA, so trying to keep it that way. And so having the local expertise and the local technicians means that if there is any problems on site, we can send our guys up there and it's not going to be a problem. Okay, so here is the control unit behind the HVAC system. Inside here is everything that controls everything outside and all of the temperature gauges and things like that that are required to run the system. This has all been engineered and designed in Western Australia and fabricated locally as well. So yeah, another good feat of WA engineering. They've finished commissioning it now, so everything's going to be pulled apart outside. And yeah, just thought I'd show you. This is a lovely system, and yeah, pretty cool. Okay, so I'm here in the LV part of the switch room. It's all being fit out at the moment, so sorry for the mess, but beside me you see the Magellan battery charger unit and 415 volt UPS behind me. These units have been made in Western Australia longer than I've been an engineer. Masood and his team over at Magellan have done a fantastic job, and they're now the go-to standard for pretty much any mining switch room that happens in Australia. So good on WA ingenuity and that tenacity that we respect. So basically I wanted to go through the fact that we've used West Australian labour in this project for pretty much every package that we could. The COVID-19 crisis has made it hard to get things from interstate and very difficult to get things from overseas. So having all of this made locally has really been able to reduce the risk of our project, get everything delivered on time, and yeah, we were able to actually get this switch room out ahead of schedule. It's a fantastic outcome for the project, and yeah, really happy with the outcome and looking forward to seeing it going. So thanks very much for helping.